Hey, what's up everybody? It's Marlon again with the Roots Motorsports YouTube channel. I'm out here today to do a feature on a really cool car. You don't see these too often, and I came across this one. This car is for sale, and let me just get into it and show you what it is. Here it is, a 1989 BMW M3, E30 M3. It's currently in a project state, but it was getting, let me just walk around and give you guys some footage of the car. It's all original metal. The car is in primer state. It might need to be reprimed or whatever, but this is the condition of the car. There is some surface stuff on there, but apart from that, that's it. The car is in really good condition. It's been garage kept for the last, I believe, probably over 15 years. Let me pop the trunk here. That wasn't supposed to happen. The shocks were taken off, or the bump stop was taken off. This is the condition of the trunk. Car's in really good shape. Battery box look pretty decent, and as you can see the quarter panel is not wrinkled or anything. Trunk area is really nice. This is a really good project for somebody to start with, and again, it's all original metal. Really good shape. Let me close this back here. All parts comes with the car. New, most of the parts are new. There's a new rear windshield, all the seals for the glass, all new sunroof mechanism. All the seals are there. Everything. The car was complete before it was taken apart, and this is just how it is right now. Let me go around here. I'll get a shot of the engine bay in a second. So again, the car was taken apart to be restored. Here you are. All the parts are available. I know I said that already, but I just have to make sure everybody understand that. All the panels and doors and everything have the original VIN on the doors. This car is really straight. It does have some surface rust. I mean, it's to be expected from, you know, sitting around or whatsoever. This is the condition of the interior. This be a good project for somebody to come and finish up. Really nice car. I wish I could get it myself. All right, here's a shot of the engine bay, and you can take a look at the chassis legs. Car has a clean Florida title. Original, all matching VIN, all matching panels. New cover for this. The parts list goes on and on. This will definitely make a good project for somebody to finish up. Again, no accidents. Car does need to, you know, be finished up, but all the parts are available and are here. All right, let me see if I could get there. See the bumper brackets, everything is still nice and straight. Can get a peep under here. Chassis leg is in pristine condition, so again, you can confirm that there's no accidents. Let me see if I can get under here. There's some surface stuff there, but that's typical. I mean, you don't see these cars often. and you don't see them coming up for sale too often either in condition like this. So it makes a good starting point for somebody who really wants a E30 M3. A really nice car and a really good opportunity to own a rare European car. Again, this is the right door, matching VIN. And here is the other side of the interior. See, the floor pan look good. And again, all the parts are here to get the car back together. Sunroof, all the sunroof mechanism is here. So again, really good opportunity. Let's go down. Let's see. All right, let me show you some of the parts that are here with the car. All the interior pieces, or most of the interior pieces, all the seals, a really nice dash right here. No rips or, you know, crack or anything like that. So the dash in really good condition. And again, matching VIN. Let me turn around. Here's all the interior components, the carpet, trunk panels, interior carpeting. Like I said, everything is here for the car. The car was taken apart from its original shape or original condition to get a full repaint. So everything is here. All right. More parts, seats, sunroof panel. Over there you have some more interior pieces. AC. Here's the original gauge cluster. This one, if you can see here, have a crack in the plastic cover, but there's a new one that comes with it. Okay, and of course you get the M signal right there. All right, that's the mileage. So, oh, one more thing I want to show you guys here. Put that out the way. Brand new sunroof mechanism. Okay, so that's good to go. Over here we have brand new windshield from BMW. As you can see, part number and everything, and brand new rear windshield, all brought in from Germany to restore this car. So there was no expense spared in trying to get all of the parts to get this car back to its original condition. So here's everything here. I will put the seller's information somewhere in the video and you guys can contact him. The car was running, has the original engine, but I believe the sale is separate. The engine will come separately from the body, or if somebody's interested and want to take the whole project, that can be arranged too. But this is the current condition of the car. Again, if you're into anything BMW or even E30, you can't go wrong with this. Like I say, it has a clean Florida title, no accidents. There's a Carfax that you can check out and it will let you know everything. So I think this will be a very good buy and a very good starting point for somebody. All numbers matching BMW E30 M3. Man, you don't see these too often, and I'd love to get this one, but not the right timing for me. All right. All right, this is the trunk lid. Original VIN again for the trunk lid. I think only thing is missing is the original wing, but those are available. I believe they're not too hard to come by. Again, let me show you the trunk, the battery box. I mean, that's where acid always go, and it's in very good condition. Does have a little surface rust on there, but the quarter panel is in really good shape, no wrinkle or dents or anything. So is this, the wheel well, shock tower, both sides look clean, no rust or anything. So like I said, I think this is a very good project for anybody who really into BMW. I'm not a big BMW fan, but this car would be one of the BMWs that I would own. Really nice cars, not necessarily the fastest BMW or fastest car, but the driving experience from an E30 is just what it is, great. All right, again, I'll leave the owner's information in the video, so if you guys are interested and want to take a look at the car, or if you're really interested and want to talk to him about it, you can reach out to him and see what can happen. All right, so thanks again for joining me on the Roots Motorsports channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you like this kind of content. Please drop a comment in the comment section and help me grow the channel. So thanks again. Oh, and Roots Motorsports. We're gonna probably be having some merchandise on the channel soon, but if you're interested or like the shirts, we have 2 shirts right now. It's the Ford Escort and the Toyota Starlet. But just hit me up in the comment section, and if you're interested in any of the shirts that we have right now. But thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care.